One gray morning, the sky was full of clouds.
Looks like it's going to rain, said Munni, peeking out of the window. Just then,
Pitter-patter, little raindrops began to fall on the roof. Chunni sighed, oh no, we can't go to the park now. Munni made a sad face too. No swings,
no slide.
Just then, Mama entered the room with a big smile and said, why wait for the sun to have fun? Let's make today special inside. The rainy day party begins. Chunni and Munni looked at each other, then clapped and cheered. Yes, a rain party. They got their colorful raincoats and paper boats ready. Mama laid out a big mat in the living room. Chunni made a pretend puddle using a blue blanket, and Munni danced around it. Rain, rain, come and play. We'll have fun the Chunni Munni way. They made sounds with pots and pans, drip, drop, splash. It sounded just like the real rain outside. An imagination makes magic. Munni folded a paper frog and said, let's have a jumping race. Chunni made a rainbow with crayons and stuck it on the wall. Mama brought warm popcorn and hot cocoa. They sat by the window watching the drops slide down the glass, munching happily. Suddenly, lightning flashed, but instead of fear, Chunni shouted, look, nature's disco lights. And they all laughed when the rain slowed down. By evening, the rain got lighter. The sun peeked through the clouds, creating a real rainbow in the sky. Just like our drawing, Munni smiled. Chunni whispered, today was better than the park. Mama nodded, because fun comes from the heart, not the weather.